Hello guys! Welcome back po ulit sa Lutong Pinoy sa Amerika. Ngayon, gagawa po tayo ng chocolate banana bread. Kasama ko ang aking anak at tutulungan niya akong gumawa ng banana bread. Ito po yung ating mga ingredients.
So here we have some dark chocolate cocoa powder, 2 eggs, baking powder, melted butter, baking soda, sugar, all-purpose flour, chocolate chips, and normally we'd use pecans, but we don't have any pecans, so we're just using some peanuts. Then we have 4 bananas, and of course our molder, which we already put butter in it in order for our mixture to not stick in there.
Okay guys, pag-check na lang po yung description box. Ililista ko po lahat doon. Mag-start na po tayo. Salamat
So
po.
we already beat the 2 eggs. Now we're gonna mash the bananas.
Now we're almost done with the bananas. We're gonna put the melted butter. And the eggs. Okay. Now I'm gonna mix the dry ingredients. Set aside muna natin tong ano.
Alright, so we're gonna add in the sugar. Then we're gonna add the baking soda. And the baking powder. Then the cocoa powder. Mix it up, make sure everything's combined.
Now, we're going to get the wet ingredients. Gonna mix them together.
Once again, we're mixing it up, make sure everything's combined well. Okay, so now we're gonna preheat the oven. We're gonna put it.
375.
Yep.
I'm going to continue to mix it.
So it's almost done.
Everything mixed well.
When it's done, you shouldn't be able to see any of the dry ingredients.
Ngayon, lalagay na natin yung ating kalahati ng chocolate chips kasi mamaya itatoppings natin yung iba. At kalahati nitong peanuts.
And remember, you can also use pecans.
Yeah, pecans. Kaya lang wala tayo kaya peanuts na lang. Pwede rin naman siya. Napakasarap nito guys pagka natapos siya natitikman niyo. Try niyo siya. Ang gamit namin cocoa powder dito yung Hershey's na dark chocolate. Yan. Ayun, ibubuhos na natin siya dito sa molder natin. Lalagay natin siya lahat.
So now that we got our mixture in here, we're going to put it in the oven for 45 minutes at 375 degrees. So before we put it in the oven, it's done preheating, by the way. We're gonna put our peanuts, the rest of our peanuts in. Then you spread them. And then we're gonna add our chocolate chips. And spread them in.
And we're going to put it in the oven. I'm gonna set it up for 45 minutes for now.
Alright, we'll come back to you when it's done.
Ayan guys, tapos na siya sa 45 minutes. Tingnan natin. Ayan na. Check natin. Luto na siya. Ooh. Look at that. Oh. Pusukin natin ng ating toothpick. Tingnan natin kung luto na. Tingnan natin kung luto na pagka wala nang sumamang pag malinis na yung toothpick natin. Yan. Okay na siya. Luto na. Tatanggalin natin siya sa oven. Tapos i-rest muna natin hanggang lumamig. Tapos kakat natin. Pakita namin sa inyo. Thank you.
Alright, so we took it out of the molder and now we're gonna cut it. So to show you guys how moist it is and how delicious it is. There it is.
Look at that. Look. So moist and it's very delicious.
Okay, if you guys like this video, make sure to subscribe. Thank you for 300 subscribers. We never thought we would make it this far. And also, be sure to check out our other videos for other delicious recipes. This was Pinoy America. We're signing up now. Thank you so much.